What is up, YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you guys again today with another video. In this one, I'm going to share with you how I'm able to justify dropping $9,100 on just 200 units of my next batch of inventory for Amazon FBA. 9,100 bucks, man. That's just 900 short of 10K. How am I doing this? I can show you guys right away. I only had to pay a 30% down payment to Alibaba, so that wasn't too bad. Amazon is a real cash flow based business. You know, when Amazon's holding your 2-week paycheck, you do want to get that money sent into buying more inventory, and I'm just going to get into this video and explain how I'm able to justify doing this based on a number of different evaluations I've made on my test batch of units, and I got a ton of info in here for you guys, but you can see right here pretty much the 30% down payments up here. They split it into 2 orders. So I paid a little over 1,300 bucks times 2 for the 2 orders that they split my order into. You can see down here I had an Amazon payout of around 2,300 bucks. So that was pretty nice, but how am I able to spend all this money on these products, guys? It's basically the fact that I did look into a whole lot of different factors when I started my first test batch of units with my latest product. I only ordered 100 units. I recommend you guys do that. You don't even have to spend that much money. Unfortunately, my product was $44 a unit, so it was selling for a much higher price on Amazon, around $110. So I was making 35 bucks pretty much every time I made a sale, which was awesome. But you know, when you're first starting, I recommend you guys getting products that maybe cost $3 to $5 on Alibaba. And if you're only getting 100 units of that, that might only be $500 for you, plus shipping, of course, from China, which might be another $160 or $200. So before I jump in any further to this video, if you are trying to sell on Amazon, please check the links down below. I do have the product research tool Jungle Scout and my own Amazon FBA course where I'm really trying to help everyone out to the utmost help that I possibly can. I only have shy of 2,000 subscribers right now, so I'm really able to actually help a lot of people compared to some of these other bigger channels out there. And I do try and bring as much content to you guys as possible. I have over 190 videos, so when you guys do subscribe, it really helps me out and keeps me going on this journey. So one of the first things I look out for when I'm testing my first product in Amazon is how really strong is the competition? How quick can I rank it up to page 1? You know, if there's 500 pages of sellers, it's going to be really difficult to rank to page 1. So that's why we use the product research tool called Jungle Scout to see how many reviews people have on their products. And we also look at how many pages there are of a particular listing to see how thick the competition is. My product right now, I can tell you guys, only had 13 pages of different listings on it. So that's not too hard, you know. I started on page 8 and I did a particular method of ranking my product to page 1 with getting some purchases under special keywords and getting reviews for my product. And I was able to get up to page 1 pretty quickly with that, as well as using a PPC and coupon code method launch strategy. I have all this stuff kind of laid out in the course, and if you guys reach out to me in comments or below in my social media, my Instagram or Facebook page, I can help you guys out more individually if you want to hear those questions. But basically, I like to find a product with really low competition and still medium to high amounts of sales and demand. So other than seeing how crazy the competition is for your product and how much demand and how big the marketplace is for your product, I also pay attention very closely to how many sales per day I'm getting and how fast I'm selling out of my first test order of products. So I sold about 75 units in the first month my product was live, and keep in mind I was ranking my product. I didn't start on page 1, so I didn't really pick up all the sales until more or less more than halfway through the month it was already over. So once that time happened, I was starting to see 3 to 5 sales a day, which was really nice. And pretty much from that point on, I knew I needed to restock inventory. I only have a few units left right now, so what I have to do is kind of raise my price in Amazon. I could go ahead and sell out right away, but I'm going to lose that sales rank of my product, so I'd rather space sales out kind of slow and periodically, because it is going to take about another 2 weeks to a month till my next product gets in. But that's pretty much what I'm going to use to justify reordering my product. Are there more people moving into this marketplace? Is my product getting really saturated within a month? You know, there's the Jungle Scout web app where people can go type in filters for a product and see, I want below 100 reviews, I want over 300 sales, and I want this price point. People can type those things in, and I did make a mistake in the past of going with products that I found on the Jungle Scout web app, because sooner or later I was like, damn, only a month later and there's like 50 new sellers selling the same product. So I have a ton of different methods. I use manual methods to help me find the products that no one else is really going to find. Of course, you do need the Jungle Scout web app to pull up the numbers for a particular product to see the demand versus competition. But you know, that's what I look at, guys. How has the competition increased over the first month that I started selling my test batch of units? And pretty much how fast am I actually starting to get sales. Now, what I'm super hyped about for this next order is the fact that I'm going to keep my original listing the way it is and order in just 50 more units for that listing. And then I'm going to order 150 units in for a new listing. So I'm occupying 2 listings on Amazon, taking up more real estate, building my brand. My new listing is going to have my original product and a bundled item so people can say, wow, he's got a free item, a free gift that comes along that pairs perfectly with this main product I'm trying to buy. I'm going to buy his product. So I went ahead and just got 150 units of that and 50 units for my other product. And I'm just really excited to see how that's going to go. I'm going to bring you guys all those updates. And pretty much that's what I wanted to share with you guys in this video. I'm confident about dropping $9,100 on my biggest order of Amazon inventory yet. It's only 200 units, so it's not like I'm ordering 5,000 units. You know, that's a lot to have on the chest there, man, on the heart, thinking, dang, I gotta sell out of 5,000 units. Now that I'm selling a higher price point item, only 200 units is what I have to sell out of, so that might only take 2 months or maybe even less than that. On my original $9,100 I just invested on these products, I'm looking to get a return of $16,000 to $18,000 back in my pocket to then go invest in the business that much more, maybe buy 400 units next time, 200 of my original listing, and then 200 of this new bundled type listing. The possibilities are endless, guys. I've been building the Instagram up, the Facebook page. I did so many other things. I got the product insert card in there. I updated my logo because I was using some pictures I actually found on Google, and I was like, if I'm building a brand, I want a real logo. I don't want to get my Amazon account shut down for intellectual property violations of using someone else's picture in my logo. So I went ahead and paid someone on Fiverr just 25 bucks. He hand drew me a super sweet logo. I had another guy on Fiverr make me this product insert card telling people, go to my Facebook page and receive 15% off towards your next purchase. Just press the like button. Then I'm able to capture some of Amazon's customers, and it's just going to be great, guys. I'm really excited to keep bringing you this content. And if you guys didn't notice, I am filming on my brand new camera. It's the Lumix G85. It's filming in 4K right now. I have a little custom mic up there. And one other thing I wanted to show you is this bad boy. We got the Mavic Air drone. This thing is literally insane. It can fly 40 miles an hour. There's tracking functions on it, so when I'm flying down the mountain on a snowboard, I can have this thing following right behind me, or when I'm skateboarding or doing anything out wakeboarding with my buddies on the boat. You guys can tell I like board sports a lot. But this is what I'm going to be bringing. I'm going to be going on some hikes soon in the Washington area. It's beautiful out here. Let me get the camera off the tripod and just show you guys what we're working with out here today. So we got the Honda Civic Si down here looking nice, and it's a beautiful day. So that's what it's going to be, guys. I hope you got some kind of value from this video. Basically, the steps I want you guys to hone in if you're a new Amazon seller: get a small test batch of units and really feel it out before going all in with it. I got confident and I'm able to spend this much money on my next order because I feel confident that I can sell out of 200 units. My listing that I tested out is doing great in the first place. I'm going to bring another addition to my product that's going to make it even better than the first time I brought it to the marketplace, and it's going to have a bundled item. It's just going to be that much better. I got the new logo. Everything else is going to be coming into place. And about this drone, guys, I'm going to be flying this all around in Washington State, going on some crazy hikes, showing you some crazy waterfalls out here. And that's going to be about it for this one. So I hope you guys do drop a thumbs up on it. Gets me pretty hyped and motivated. This was kind of a test video for my camera. I need to get used to these settings. But other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.